Hello and welcome to our channel, Sundry Health. Today's topic is health benefits of fasting. Fasting, a centuries-old practice essential to many cultures and religions, has several health benefits, including weight loss, blood sugar regulation, and protection against medical illnesses such as cancer and neurological disorders. Fasting is defined as abstaining from particular foods or beverages for a set period, usually 24 to 72 hours. Intermittent fasting involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting that can last anywhere from a few hours to a few days. Fasting has 8 health benefits, according to science. Fasting boosts metabolism, energizes, and provides several health benefits without the need for calorie counting or tight meal schedules. It is not a diet but rather a shift in eating habits. Fasting can have considerable health benefits when combined with a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean meats, healthy fats, and raw dairy. Even occasional indulgences in chocolate or cheese will have a different effect than a calorie-restricted diet. Here are 14 health benefits of fasting. Before starting, remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. 1. Lowers insulin resistance and controls blood sugar. Intermittent fasting, a 3-day fast, has been associated with better blood sugar control and a lower risk of type 2 diabetes. Insulin resistance has decreased, allowing for more efficient glucose transfer. Intermittent fasting and time-restricted feeding may also reduce metabolic syndrome risk factors, which increase the risk of type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and stroke. More research is needed, however, to examine the effects of fasting and calorie restriction. Intermittent fasting also aids in normalizing insulin sensitivity, lowering visceral fat mass, and fasting insulin resistance. 2. Promotes better health by fighting inflammation. Chronic inflammation, a natural immune reaction, can result in chronic diseases such as heart disease, cancer, and rheumatoid arthritis. Fasting has been found in studies to help reduce inflammation and promote improved health. A meta-analysis of 18 studies published in 2022 discovered that intermittent fasting significantly lowered C-reactive protein levels, a measure of inflammation. Fasting and resistance training may also be beneficial in treating inflammatory diseases. 3. May improve brain function and prevent neurodegeneration. Fasting has been demonstrated in animal research from 2018 to 2021 to significantly increase brain health by protecting it, increasing nerve cell creation and improving cognitive performance. Fasting may also help reduce inflammation, which may help prevent neurological diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. More research, however, is required to assess its impact on human brain function. Fasting improves brain function, promotes nerve cell creation, and protects against neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. 4. Limits calories and boosts metabolism to lose weight. Fasting is a popular weight loss approach since it reduces overall calorie consumption and increases weight loss over time. Over 12 to 24 weeks, whole-day fasting can reduce body weight by up to 9% and dramatically reduce body fat. In terms of weight loss, intermittent fasting outperforms constant calorie restriction. Compared to ongoing calorie restriction, fasting may result in higher reductions in body fat and belly fat. According to a study by the University of Southern California, 71 adults who fasted for 5 days every 3 months dropped an average of 6 pounds and lowered inflammation, waistlines, and total body fat without compromising muscle mass. 5. Increases growth hormone secretion. Human growth hormone, HGH, a significant protein hormone involved in metabolism, weight reduction, and muscular building, can be naturally increased by fasting. A 37.5-hour fast can boost basal HGH concentrations tenfold while decreasing the metabolic rate at which the body clears HGH. Fasting also increases HGH secretion, which is utilized to fight obesity and develop muscle mass for fat loss. This combination of advantages results in an efficient fat-burning machine. 6. Could extend longevity. Fasting has been demonstrated to promote longevity and extend lifespan in animals. A study published in 2021 discovered that fasting boosted the diversity of beneficial bacteria in the human gut microbiome, particularly Christiansenella species, which are linked to lifespan. Fasting also increases sirtuins, which are proteins that regulate metabolism. An analysis of previous human and animal research published in 2021 discovered that fasting may help boost longevity and delay disease. Intermittent fasting has been found to promote longevity in rats, with studies demonstrating that fasting reduces body weight and increases lifespan. 7. Possible cancer prevention and chemotherapy enhancement. According to a review published in the American Cancer Society Journal, intermittent fasting may benefit cancer treatment and prevention, perhaps reducing tumor development and damage from chemotherapy. However, it implies that further high-quality clinical trials are required, and patients should only fast intermittently as part of a clinical experiment. Another in vitro and animal study assessment reveals that fasting may slow tumor development and improve chemotherapy efficacy. More research is required to determine how fasting affects human cancer development and therapy. 8. May help athletic performance. Fasting has been demonstrated to benefit professional athletes' body mass and health parameters by promoting fat reduction and muscle building via HGH production. A post-workout diet, consisting of taking high-quality protein half an hour after exercises, is advised for training and game days to develop muscle and lose fat. 9. Balances ghrelin levels. Ghrelin, often known as the hunger hormone, is the hormone that signals hunger in the body. Restrictive eating can raise ghrelin levels, causing hunger. Despite initial difficulties, fasting helps normalize ghrelin levels and trains the body to recognize when it needs food rather than feeling hungry because it's dinner time. 10. Great for the liver. The liver's primary function is to remove poisons from the body that it filters. Pesticides, salts, sugars, vitamins, minerals, MSG, and dextrose are all natural and artificial chemicals found in most foods. The liver takes a battering daily, and even a healthy lifestyle can put a strain on it. Fasting allows the liver to recover and process potentially toxic substances. If you already have liver problems, check with your doctor before fasting. Fasting can be good for the liver, but it's crucial to be cautious if you already have liver problems. 11. Mood improvement. Chicken, which receives hormone and antibiotic injections frequently, is an example of how chemicals in the body can affect hormone levels. These hormones can produce hormonal imbalances in the body, leading to mood changes such as irritation or despair. Fasting can help remove these toxins, leaving you feeling healthier and happier. However, if fasting has the opposite effect, visiting a doctor and discontinuing the fasting regimen is critical until further research is completed. Chicken soup is frequently advised for flu treatment since it contains antibiotics but not hormones. 12. Blood pressure. High blood pressure is a common problem, and doctors frequently advise patients to limit their salt intake to avoid heart attacks. Fasting can help normalize blood pressure, but regularly monitoring it is critical. Adjustments may be required if the blood pressure becomes too high or too low. Normal blood pressure is 120/80ths, with a few fluctuations acceptable. If you need clarification on fasting because of high blood pressure, talk to your doctor about how to fast for your health. Consult your doctor for assistance on appropriate fasting practices if you're unsure how to approach fasting with pre-existing blood pressure difficulties. 13. Heart health. Fasting can be beneficial to the heart because high-fat, salty, and vegetable-rich diets strain the heart and raise the risk of heart attack. Fasting causes the body to slow down and remove poisons that have been collected. The body resets itself by beginning with better, more natural meals. It is advisable to schedule a heart scan with a cardiologist if you are having chest palpitations or pain. Fasting also gives the body a fresh start when it comes time to eat again. Fasting combined with a stressful and fast-paced lifestyle can considerably lower the risk of a heart attack. 14. Colon health. Food directly collects in the colon, causing sensations of weariness, lethargicness, and poor health. Foods can cause bloating and constipation, as well as internal fissures. Stomach ulcers, messy feces, and other difficulties that may compromise overall health are examples of colon illnesses. Fasting allows the colon to revert to its standard form, ridding the body of toxins and waste. This has the potential to improve overall health significantly. Fasting restores the colon's natural state, allowing it to operate normally and improve overall health. How to start fasting? Water fasting, juice fasting, intermittent fasting, partial fasting, and calorie restriction are all examples of fasts. Water fasting entails consuming water for a defined time, whereas juice fasting entails only drinking vegetable or fruit juice. Intermittent fasting restricts intake for a few hours or days before returning to a typical diet on other days. For a specific time, partial fasting eliminates some foods or drinks, such as processed foods, animal products, or caffeine. Every week, a calorie restriction is imposed for a few days. Intermittent fasting is divided into two types: alternate day fasting and time-restricted feeding. Experimenting with different fasting methods will help you find one that works. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And click on the notification bell to ensure you never miss the next video. Thank you.